Amber Heard testified in her defamation trial against Johnny Depp this week, offering jurors a dramatically different account of the couple's history than her ex-team. Amber Heard recounted a different account this week, describing a domineering and abusive Johnny Depp who was prone to jealous rages and drug binges. In response, she has filed a $100 million complaint against Johnny Depp. Both have denied any wrongdoing. The high-profile trial has captivated spectators worldwide. Mr. Depp's fans have flocked to social media to accuse Ms. Heard of fabricating her story and tears. Ms. Heard's evidence, though, was persuasive, according to Ryan Baker, a Los Angeles attorney who has defended individuals in defamation cases. So let's break down what you missed from Amber Heard's side and what to anticipate next, 1 month into the trial. Abundant drug use. Mr. Depp's substance usage has been a recurring subject throughout the trial. The actor has admitted to being addicted to the opiate oxycodone, which he claims was prescribed to him for a back ailment. However, he stated that after detoxing from that drug in 2014, he maintained a healthy relationship with drugs and alcohol. Ms. Heard put it differently. Throughout her 2 days on the stand, she detailed multiple instances of her ex-partner abusing alcohol, cocaine, and medications. He would pass out, get sick, lose control of himself, she explained. Ms. Heard claims that one of Mr. Depp's binges happened in front of his children. She told jurors in court on Wednesday that Mr. Depp was furious during a trip on his own yacht because he had to sell the boat to author J.K. Rowling. Mr. Depp was drinking, she alleged, and trying to hide it in a coffee cup. Ms. Heard stated that as he became progressively and visibly inebriated, his then 14-year-old daughter became increasingly upset. He threw himself off the boat, she explained. It looked a little scary, like not something somebody would do if they were completely okay. Almost like a panic attack. The girl began to scream and breathe fast. Mr. Depp became agitated when Ms. Heard sought to console her, she claimed. Mr. Depp accused her of telling on him and calling him a drunk in front of his kids. He allegedly threw Ms. Heard against a yacht wall and referred to her as an embarrassment. A ferocious cavity search. Several distressing allegations of sexual violence were made to jurors. Depp accused Ms. Heard of supporting what he perceived as provocative overtures from a lady during a weekend away with friends in May 2013, according to Ms. Heard. Ms. Heard said that the woman leaned into me, put her head on my shoulder, and put her hand on my arm. She claimed that Mr. Depp became agitated. When the two returned to their trailer park, the fighting became more intense. Mr. Depp, according to Ms. Heard, took off her panties and performed a cavity search for drugs. During her 2 days of evidence, Ms. Heard grew obviously distraught. Dawn Hughes, a psychologist, testified earlier in court that Ms. Heard told her the same account about the alleged assault. Ms. Heard later battled not to cry as she told jurors that Mr. Depp sexually abused her with a bottle. Jealousy for the disliked James Franco. Mr. Depp's rages, according to Ms. Heard, were easily sparked by sentiments of envy. He was accusing me of having affairs, Ms. Heard explained. I'm trying to defuse the situation by trying to tell him I'm not sleeping with this person, and I'm not sleeping with that person. Mr. Depp had a special disdain for Ms. Heard's co-star in the Adderall Diaries, James Franco. He hated James Franco, she said. That jealousy, she claimed, culminated in a physical altercation on a terrifying 2014 trip from Boston to Los Angeles, during which he allegedly kicked her. He simply kicked me in the groin. I collapsed on the ground, she stated. Nothing was mentioned, nothing was done. This exact fight has already been described before jurors multiple times. Ms. Heard was the aggressor, according to Mr. Depp and parties of his entourage. To escape his then-partner, the actor claimed he locked himself in the airplane restroom. I knew that she was ready for some kind of brawl, Mr. Depp admitted in court. I walked into the bathroom, locked the door, and fell asleep on the bathroom floor. That's where I stayed for the duration of the flight. The first slap changed my life. The first depictions of Mr. Depp and Ms. Heard's early days together were among the only times their testimony overlapped. Ms. Heard described a deep and immediate connection, as did her ex-husband. I had butterflies in my stomach. I couldn't see clearly, she stated. I'd never felt such affection before. I had the impression that he recognized me and that I recognized him. But, she claimed, an abrupt change ruined their connection. Mr. Depp, she claimed, would disappear for days and then return drunk, high, and angry. He was the love of my life, said Ms. Heard. But he was also something else. That other stuff was dreadful. Alright guys, thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like rating down below. See you guys next time. Have a great day.